Good morning, students. Today we are going to make some new sentences and learn how to write sentences. Like, this is a chair. It's a sentence. This is a chair. Next, shut the door. Next word is flower, and we can make the sentence I like flowers. Next word is fish, and sentence is fish lives in water. Next is pencil. I have a pencil. So today we are going to revise the make sentences concept. In your English notebook, you can make different meaningful sentences and easy sentences with the given word, like fan. You can make the word with the help of the word fan, that is a fan. It gives us air. It is white in color. Or you can make another word with the help of given word chair. Chair, with your help of, you can make the sentences this is a chair, that is a chair. Chair is made up of wood. It has four legs. Sit on the chair. You can make any sentences with the given word. So today we are going to revise the word and make sentences. Which word has given here? Written here. This is a word chair. This is a word chair. You can make any sentence. This is a chair. That is a chair. Chair is brown in color. And but we have to write the chair sentence with the help of chair. It should be meaningful. So we are going to write the sentence. Sit on the chair. What we are going to write? Sit on the chair. S-I-T, sit. O and on. You will sit on the chair now. Right. So we are going to make the sentence. Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. C-H, A-I-R, chair. And make a full stop at the end of the sentence. What is the next word we have written here? It is a word door. It is a word door. You can make any meaningful sentence with the help of the given word door. I have to write here. Shut the door. And the first letter of the sentence should be capital. S-H-U-T, shut. S-H-U-T, shut. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. And what we have the word given here? It's a word door. Shut the door. D-O-O-R, door. Shut the door. And at the end of the sentence, what we will write here? It's a full stop. After the end of the sentence, we will mark a full stop at the end. Shut the door. And next letter we have given here, flower. It is not flower. It is a word flower. It is a word flower. You can make any sentence with the help of the given word. But I have written here, L-I-K-E, like. L-I-K-E, like. Which color flower you like? You can write any color flower you like red, blue, green, plum. There are so many colors in flower. So you can write any color. But I have written here, red. R-E-D, red. I like red flower. It's flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. I like red flower. And we have to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. And the first letter of the sentence should be capital. I like red flower. I like red flower. And the next letter we have written here, F-I-S-H, fish. The sound of S-H is sh. Sound of S-H is sh. It is a blank word. And the word is fish. You can write any sentence with the help of word used, fish. Fish lives in a water. Fish is a water animal. Fish lives in a pond. Fish has so many in colors. You can write any meaningful sentence. So we have right here, fish in a water. Fish, fish. Where does a fish live? Fish lives in a water. Fish lives in a water. Lives. Lives. I am in. The. Water. Water. Fish lives in the water. And you have to put a full stop. So what will be the sentence? Fish lives in the water. Fish lives in the water. You can make any sentence which you like with the help of word fish, but it should be meaningful. And last word we have written here, it is a word pencil. It is a word pencil. You can make any sentence, but we have written here, I have which color pencil do you have in your box? I have green, GREEN, green pencil. I have green pencil and put a full stop at the end. I have green pencil. So today we learned some new words and new sentences with the given words. We are going to revise the words again. It is a word chair. So what will be the sentence? Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Next word we have written here. It's a word door. It is a word door. And the sentence is shut the door. Shut the door. Next word we have written here. It's a word flower. It is a word flower. And the sentence will be I like red flower. I like red flower. Okay. And the next word we have written here. It is a word fish. It is a word fish. And where does a fish live? Fish lives in the water. Yes. Fish lives in the water. Fish lives in the water. And the last word we have written here, it's a word pencil. It is a word pencil. And what will be the sentence? I have green pencil. I have green pencil. You can write your own which colored pencil do you have. So you can write that color over here. I have green pencil. So you have to revise all the sentences in your English notebook and in a very beautiful handwriting. God bless you all. Thank you.